Guys, today it looks like the Transformers have come to play. What is this Bumblebee look-alike? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Guys, today I'm looking at, well, what looks to be Bumblebee from the Transformer movies. However, it's not. It's actually the coolest 65 watt GaN charger I have seen in my entire 5 years of making these videos. This, my friends, is the GravaStar Alpha 65 watt USBC fast charger. Now, GaN, or gallium nitride, is a technology that enables chargers to be far more efficient, run cooler, and therefore enable faster charging in a smaller form factor than the more conventional silicon that is used in other chargers. So although this tech has been a while for around now, I think what sets the Alpha 65 apart is it looks pretty dang cool. Now guys, before we get into it, GravaStar sent me this Alpha 65 to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And if you follow my channel, you'll know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. First off guys, open up the box and we've got a bit of paperwork. We've also got a UK plug top and an EU plug top, and then the charger itself, which on first inspection feels very solid in the hand and has this cool Transformer Bumblebee look. In fact, it also comes in white, and it also comes in a kind of blue and red, like a distressed blue and red, and that one looks like Optimus Prime. Okay, so I am a little bit of a Transformers fan. But anyway, let's pop the charger down for a second and then see what else we have in the box. So guys, here we have some more paperwork, and then we have these magnetic fins that attach to the top, and you can kind of move them around and adjust them whichever way you like. Now back to the charger. Now, apart from the obvious aesthetics, this bad boy has 3 USB ports. It's got 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A. So you know what? You're pretty much covered in the compatibility stakes. And guys, like I said, the fins are magnetic, and once on, they're not going to fall off, and you can move them around to kind of suit what angle you want them in. Also guys, the legs are also movable, so you can stand, tilt, do what you like with this to make it look even more cool. And other than that guys, it also has a lot of nice design cues which kind of add to the coolness of this charger. Now, flipping it over, you can see that this comes with a US style wall plug connector, which keeps it compact, especially if you're traveling. But remember, we also have those UK and EU plug tops, which can slide right on. And lastly, you have the plate on the bottom, which tells you all about the power outputs. Important that, and I'll get back to that in just a second. Now, taking a look at this plugged in, you can see it's pretty flush to the plug socket. And once you power it on, the little eyes light up blue, so that's kind of cool. And as I said earlier, this is a 65 watt fast charger, so you can charge phones, tablets, and most computers. It also has some power delivery 3.0 tech, which will also ensure that you don't overcharge anything. So you know what? This is a safe device. Now, although 65 watts, you should note that if you have more than one device charging, the 65 watts is going to be split amongst those devices. The actual ports, in fact, have their own ratings. So if you have a single device plugged in into USB-C 1, you're going to get the full 65 watts. USB-C 2 port will give you a maximum of 20 watts, and the USB-A port will give you a maximum of 18 watts, and that's single devices plugged in. Now, if you've got 2 devices plugged in and charging, the in the USB-C ports, then USB-C 1 will output a maximum of 45 watts and USB-C 2 will output 20 watts. If you have USB-C 1 and USB-A charging, then you're going to get 45 and 18 watts respectively. And guys, if you have all three ports charging, then USB-C 1 is still going to give you that 45 watts, USB-C 2 and USB-A are going to give you 15 watts. Man, that's a lot of watts, right? So guys, there you have it. This GravaStar Alpha 65 isn't breaking any boundaries in tech, but you know what? It's a piece of design rather than a bog standard plastic wall charger. This brings an element of fun. And you know what, guys? It won't break the bank. At the time of making this video, you could pick this up for only $49.99 of your good old British pounds, which for this tech and design is a bit of a steal. Guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to GravaStar for sending me this cool and capable charger. Guys, I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.